Matagaluega, and some of the women from Talavou, some of the Yasu, and for the life, for your Mafutaga, for the Yasu, and for the Efkas, and for the PANAMA, and for the Matagaluega, Moyaki na iso Matagaluega, Matagaluega, e ave Malakuea, isi, e whakatoro Talavou, Moni lava ia o sumaratoto, ana le mataala, ana le pala lama, i le tunga le tanuku le whakamoe, o sumaratoto. Lo mataala lea na i na wai o tausara mai, te maali tanga wena, ia lo whaika lotu. Ia tato lotu whatasi le liasi. Ese foi le matamofia paiatu. Tanga wena tala AUAU sumai afiu mai. Se o pito no tua se lava se o pito tito. Pero i foi mamano que assim. Tato FAIAI le whakamoi matamofia. Dai atu o suma whakoni. Dasi meu misi lo forflama. Fala lo atu whanau. Lo iai lo tōrua, le lo sofatua, Alice. Lo ni kale atu oi. Lo iai lo whawhotua, la waro tuti te wado tōru tatu tatu. Wema. O le manatu o tua le nei tai au, reassurance of hope. Toi whamu, ma toi whamunatu atu, le whaamomoe. Remind you, I want to bring it out to you again, to reassure your hope. Ole le lava, whataoto, whaamomoe. The parable that Matthew was talking about is the parable of hope. Reassurance of hope. In 1980, Teno Matos Ha'o, who were always questioned by different nationality. What is a Samoan? Where is Samoa? As we try to explain to them, they never understood. It was like a new thing in America. It was a new population in town, a new breed, new seed. And they asked, where is Samoa located? So we get the globe, then we spin it around about 100 times. And we finally come to find Samoa. Samoa was just a little dot on the map, where I go. A small seed. So what do you get from Samoa? What's in Samoa? What are the Samoan people like? I humbly ask you to follow me as I go along, as I quote illustrations to reassure your hope. Visualizing. Visualizing something is very important because it will help you to understand something. It'll clear up your thinking. Visualize the historical part of this Talavou. The first seed of this Talavou was planted in Saute. First seed of the gospel planted in Saute. Now we are seeing how this seed grew and prospered. And this seed brought so many people together, Samoan people, families, friends, and folks. One seed brought all these people together. population in LA or incarcerated. There's more people incarcerated than people in our islands, not native islands. There's more people incarcerated